Alright, we welcome to Blue Bike North channel as we pre-Vamm. This is a Wednesday. Run an intro. Hey, welcome back to the Blue Bike North channel. Vamm. Yes, it was pre-Vamm. Actually, this is Vamm because Wednesday night we just did a little meet and greet deal. Don't look good. So we're going to go the route we did. I don't know, did y'all see it last time? I don't remember. I don't know if maybe I did. I don't know. Thought Dick might want to get up here in front. Alright, so we're gonna go up there where we went. Yeah, I think I just said that. Up Holly Horse Pen Road and Holly Farm and whatnot, and then take everybody on that swinging bridge, and then yeah, just do that. Hopefully it's gonna be this way. Yeah, wouldn't be a Vamm if it didn't rain. Alright, GoPro stop recording. Yeah, that cloud don't look too good now, does it? Time and temperature check is 9:39. We're 9 minutes behind schedule. It is 74 degrees at 2,430 feet above sea level. We're gonna go down here and hit Highway 16 and go up to Horse Pen something, and then back across over to Pocahontas and maybe go to Coles, and then nice car, bro. And then we'll see where we go from there. We're gonna try to get to the Army store. We got 12 bikes in total. We got Mr. G, Southern Yankee Southern HD, and Backroads&Chrome, ZZ twin cams, north by southeast. Buddy, I can forget. Sorry. Me, Beth, Dan's a fan of Jody and them. Ron, the TheChestnutMtnTinman, Technic rides, and one of Mr. G's friends. I forget her name. And then Backroads&Chrome's husband. I forget his name too. Ken? No, I don't remember. Oh, dude, all these dang potholes.
Calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wander? Ooh. shining just like sin. Why don't you hear me wonder? Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder?
Alright, we're coming into that little town. What's the name of it? Give me a minute and I'll tell you. Bramwell. 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 Huh. Oh, the Bomb, Virginia, because I'm up here, Bombwell. We in Bombwell, Virginia. West Virginia, sorry. Bombwell, Virginia. Here's the Ricker Bridge right here. We're going to walk across that bridge. This town's pretty neat. There's rock churches. That used to be a bank, but I'm thinking now it's a boarding house. Bank of Bramwell. There's the corner shop diner. They open today because it's 10:30. They open early. Homecoming. Built in 2000. We have one. There's one in Cherokee, but they don't let you go. I don't know if they still took it down, yeah. But it's wider. Really? And it's a little more bouncier. You get to walking in it. Gotta mess your knees up. It's gonna rain harder. Alright, well we sitting there, the sun came out real bright, now we come back up the bike and it's clouding up. It's gonna be one of them wet vams. So now we headed over to Cole's Harley Davidson property and check him out for a little bit. It says it's 10 miles. Here comes the sun. Visitors parking. When recording, everybody come out. El doggo. Good boy. We headed up the back of the Dragon again, up to, I hope he's going to stop at the $1 Billion View, Kudzu Corner, right up there. Doubt if we get our picture took today, it's a little late. Whee! This Pretty. Watch where I'm going. That's where people crashes. Not paying attention to the road. Nope, nobody there. Oh, it's the next one. Yep, he's there. He ain't taking pictures though. Why ain't you taking pictures? A little late to roll your window down, ain't it? Sorry, butthole. Where is she going?
I thought he might want to take a picture, then we'll get back out of here.
Huh?
We'll take a picture and we'll get back out of here. He wanted to come up here, didn't he?
Guess he took maybe two pictures and left, didn't he? He rode.
Oh, I'm talking about taking moto.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a video. No, I'm gonna make a video.
Well, here we are back at the back of the Dragon. It ain't gonna be bike night tonight, but we'll make it our bike night this Thursday night, fam. Yep, this guy right here ain't with us, but he looked like he's been riding in the hard rain. Probably got airbags on it. And Dan the man's, Jody's them friends, Papa on Three's friend, Beth, the mistress, Ruby. Dang, I believe that car's got a flat. Whitey, Mighty, this is new, Calvin's new Indian, Rod, and Tech and Moto. And there's the Dragon. And there's Calvin and Ron. So here we back of the Dragon. Everybody pretty much left except for us down. I think Jerry and Ben's coming. This Jerry and Sean. UCM Pig and Jerry Mini Moto. He'll be here later. Alright, we headed back down. Hold on, I'm messing with my holes. Wee boy. So let's call this one right now, you know what I'm saying? Get back to the Welcome Center and 8 miles down the road and start to meet and greet Thursday night, bike night at the back of the Dragon, the Vamm. Yeah, buddy. Vamm26. Boy, that wind's kicking. There in the, he's still pushing through this valley, ain't it? Up the holler. Oh. See, would you go check out that video there, or that one there? Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you down the road later.